up guys, welcome to Vlogmas day 6. So today is my last day in my hometown in Illinois. I'm going back tonight. My plane leaves at like 7 o'clock, so I have to catch the 3:30 bus to get there in time to, make my flight. Which, by the way, I need to check in, but my internet has been so bad, so need to do that once I get off this vlog. But I have quite the task ahead of me. I have to pack everything that I want to take back, and literally I've only been here for 2 weeks, but my room has exploded. I don't even know what is going on. And I've also like thrifted stuff, and yeah, so I need to make sure everything fits and that my suitcase isn't over 50 pounds. And I also want to go thrifting still because I still have some time to kill, but I want to make sure I pack everything before I go thrifting to see like what room I have. I don't know why that plate is on the ground, but I have like all my stuff, like I need to pack all this stuff over there. And we have a little orange muffin. Hi buddy, are you gonna miss me? He is so sweet. He has just been sleeping on my bed like this whole time I've been here. He loves me. If you guys don't know, this is my cat named Orangey. I couldn't bring him to California with me just because he's a little bit older, and I just didn't want to move him across the country, and he's just used to living here, so I get to see him when I come back. But he is such a sweet cat. Okay, so change of plans. My mom just got home and we're both really hungry, so we're gonna go to one of my favorite places that's actually right next to one of my other favorite thrift stores. And so we're gonna go to brunch, or it's actually lunchtime, and then we're gonna head on over to the thrift store, and I'm gonna do one last thrifting video in the Midwest before I leave, and then I'm going to tackle my room because I actually just need to get out of the house because this is stressing me out. I just can't deal with all this mess, and I just don't know what I'm gonna bring and what I'm gonna leave here because I am coming back for Christmas in another 20 days or something like that, so I will leave a good amount of stuff here, but I need to figure out what I'm gonna bring back. And also I just want to go thrifting, and if I end up finding a lot of stuff, I'm gonna have to try to pack everything. Oh, and also I found these earrings down in my basement. I had actually found these in an estate sale and I thrifted them on my channel, but I totally lost them. I didn't know where they were, but I found them and I love them so much. They're so cute. And I also found other stuff down in my basement. I was trying to look for Christmas decor because I know I have 2 big bins full of Christmas decor that I wanted to bring back, or at least some of it back, but I couldn't locate that bin. But I did find some other things, so I'm going to show you guys what I found in my basement. So stay tuned for a basement haul just coming right up. Okay, so the first thing that I found in my basement was this mug. It's from Starbucks. I remember getting this a while ago. It just looks kind of like a mermaid, and I feel like I'm always needing new mugs when I'm at home, so I'm gonna bring this one back. Okay, and then I remember I had all these turquoise little, what are these called? I'm literally blanking. Glass jar things. They're these beautiful turquoise color, and I have a few of them, and I want to put them somewhere in our house. I don't know exactly. Maybe I want to get some shelving units in our place, but I thought these were so pretty. And I also have these two that look a little bit different. They still kind of have a turquoise glow to them. They just look really old, which I think is really cool. So yeah, I have a bunch of those that I'm gonna bring back. I have enough room for all this stuff. And then I'm also bringing back these two. I told you this is gonna be really exciting. I have the larger version back at home, but I am gonna bring these two to have more of. I just thought that would be nice. So that concludes my basement haul. Stay tuned maybe for later if I end up finding the Christmas decor. I'm gonna go down with my mom later and see if she can find them because I don't know where they are. But yeah, we're gonna head on over to the brunch place. It's so good. I'm so excited. And I also saw on their Instagram that they have some holiday cocktails, so I'm gonna probably swoop on one of those, and then we're gonna head on over to the thrift store. All right, I got my winter cocktail. This is just a mimosa with cranberry juice and not orange juice, and it looks delicious. So our food just came. I just got this Mediterranean type wrap. I got some bacon on the side, some fruit. My mom got an omelet. It looks delicious. So lunch was amazing, and now we are at the thrift store, and I'm gonna head in, and we are gonna be, well, not we, I'm just gonna be filming. Sorry, Mom. Yeah. So I'm gonna be filming inside on my big camera, so stay tuned for the main channel video on Leah Prips, my main channel, and yeah, that will be on there soon, but I'm gonna head in now and wish me luck. Yes. Yes. Okay, so we're driving back home and we're about to pull into my house and I have to pack within, oh, turn this up. So I have to pack within, I don't know, 40 minutes?
Oh, we have to be there.
30 minutes? I don't know. I don't have very much time and I have a lot to pack. So the countdown starts now. Let's do this. I've made it to LA. Madeline picked me up, thank you. It took me a long time to get my bag. Everybody was like confused on like where to get our bags, but I finally got it. She brought some buffalo cauliflower for me. Oh my gosh. Do you guys see this? This is my favorite meal in LA and Madeline brought it. Thank you.
Honestly, it's my favorite meal. Like,
ever. I know. I'm just telling you.
Okay, now
it's a good meal.
Tell you guys,
do you have a story?
Up from the airport in LA is different than picking someone else up at like a different airport, because like the Indiana airport where I'm from, you can just like sit there all day and like wait for someone, but here
you'll get a ticket.
Yeah, they'll give you a ticket, or cops will come up and yell at you.
Mm-hmm. Shine their light at you.
You gotta be a sneakster.
Yeah, she was a sneakster. Good job, Mads. Ta-da!
I cleaned just for you.
I like what you done with the place. All right, let's go look in my room. I'm home. I'm home. Okay, so I just got ready for bed. I put my retainer in, and I haven't had my retainer in since I was here last. I forgot it. So it's a little bit tight, but I needed to put that in to keep my teeth nice and straight. You know what I'm saying? I am gonna go ahead and go to sleep, and I will see you guys tomorrow. I'm super tired, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I will see you guys